Hey guys, do you know you can partner with high-paying online survey platforms such that they will always send you any available survey directly to your inbox before sending to anyone else? This is what I did with LifePoint, and they are always sending me available surveys, and I just received this one not quite long, okay, early this morning, and let me just show you what I'm about to do right now so that you too can see that it is possible and you can make more money doing online surveys. Okay guys, so as you can see right here, you can see LifePoint. Okay, they sent me this email. Okay, and they say new surveys, get it before it's gone. You can see they will always tell you to get it before it's gone. Okay, so what you do is you open it. Okay, once you open it, you can see complete this survey for more rewards. You can see you now click on take me there. Click on what? Click on take me there. You see, and you click on take me there, it will take you right to where the survey is. And once you get to where the survey is, you will continue to do it. So you can see we have our surveys for you, and we think this one might just be the perfect match. Who knows, maybe your response in this survey will help elevate a favorite product of your uh, of yours to the level of perfection. Remember, we have limited spaces for surveys, and sometimes this may go in a matter of minutes. Grab this opportunity before it's gone. Can't you see, guys? They will always tell you immediately, because sometimes these surveys they don't last. As you can see, the time they sent this was about what time is it? 3:49 a.m. as you can see here. Okay, 3:49 a.m. Why some people are still sleeping? We are busy making money online, because I told you, if you want to really make money from survey, you need to pay attention to it. You need to know what works, and then you do it, so that when you are coming online to talk about how you are earning from mere side hustle like this, okay, people will start being motivated with your results, and then they would start taking action. Okay, so this is just how it works. So you see, everything is possible if only you can focus and concentrate on that one thing that will always pay you and help you to meet your money goals. Okay, if you're watching this and you want to be part of this survey, you want to get started, first you must get knowledge, and then you must get the tools that you need to get started on this. Don't just jump into starting up a survey without knowledge. Okay, work with knowledge. Therefore, you need a coach, you need a mentor, and then you need to get the right tools that would help you to become profitable in this survey. Get my online survey guide, start from there, and if you want more, you can also join my online survey coaching program so that I can hold you by the hand and then teach you, show you how you can become profitable as a beginner from anywhere you are around the world, from Africa, from Asia, anywhere you are at all. You can make something out of these online surveys. What a lot of people are seeing as mere side hustle can become your major source of income. All right, I will see you in my next video.